Yeah, away from home. Yeah.
What's up?
I'm far away from home and I feel no love. Switch up on my dogs, man, I can't do such. Had to do it twice, cause they thought it was luck. I swear I gotta live clean, cause I came from the mud. Yeah, I came from the mud. I was living tough, dog, I came a long way, man, I can't give it up. Every day my birthday, since I turned 21. Yeah, it's rare when I'm in a booth, man, I feel like 21. Talk tough when they with a little gang, gotta say that shit one-on-one. Tryna get a OGs here to blame me, but I'm still saying none. No matter how you try, man, you still ain't one of us. And mama had to call me, told me be the bigger guy with bigger stats. Bigger chest got bigger racks, bigger fam got bigger slats. This that shit that your manifest got bigger plans, got bigger mans. Talk tough on your little raps. Real life, man, it never mess. Yo, drop tapes and still guess like shit. I gotta heal and shit. Niggas done did me dirty. I gotta heal and shit. On a coupe, gotta drop the verdict. I'm tryna heal and shit. They treated me like oh shit. I'm tryna heal and shit. I gotta heal and shit. I gotta heal and shit. Niggas done did me dirty. I gotta heal and shit. On a coupe, gotta drop the verdict. I'm tryna heal and shit. They treated me like oh shit. I gotta heal and shit. My mother been struggling. She gotta heal and shit. I gave a couple racks for sure, I told her to heal and shit. Me and bro, we living better, no almost splitting the bill and shit. We on TV and shit, living a dream and shit. Lot of scars, they telling me to heal. Lot of ops, I don't know how to feel. Yeah, I'm on the road, need them 4G out of wheels. Thought it was a dream and this shit real. How I made it happen, God. Now I gotta talk that talk. It was really tough, my dog. Might be gecko, bruh. It was mama and 3 kids. We ain't even had no pops. Can't say the same now, dog. We living better, dog. How I made it happen, God. Now I gotta talk that talk. It was really tough, my dog. Might be gecko, bruh. It was mama and 3 kids. We ain't even had no pops. Can't say the same now, dog. We living bad now, dog.
What's up?